EagleRidge Roofing, premier roofing services in Tibble Fork, Utah. EagleRidge, a leading roofing contractor in Tibble Fork, Utah, 84003, provides comprehensive residential and commercial roofing services. With over 20 years of experience, they specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of various roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal, and tile. Known for their high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service, EagleRidge stands out in the industry. Their roofing process starts with thorough inspections, followed by detailed estimates and expert installations using top-grade materials. They ensure clear communication throughout the project, strictly adhering to safety protocols and industry best practices. Their transparent pricing structure and attention to detail guarantee reliable roofing solutions for all properties. Discover the full scope of their expertise and customer-focused approach. EagleRidge provides services in the Tibble Fork area, including zip code 84003. They offer residential roofing services such as new roof installations, repairs, maintenance, roof replacement, inspections, storm damage assessments, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, and siding installation and repair. Additionally, their services include ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial properties, EagleRidge offers commercial roof installation and replacement, preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO and EPDM membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge is your go-to company for roofing needs. Contact us at 801-784-1457. We are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, located in the heart of Utah and proudly servicing the Wasatch Front. EagleRidge Roofing serves Tibble Fork, Utah, and the surrounding areas with expert craftsmanship. Their services include residential and commercial roof installation, repair, and maintenance. They specialize in various roofing materials, such as asphalt shingles, metal, and tile. Additionally, they offer gutter installation, skylight fitting, and roof inspections. Their team is committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. EagleRidge Roofing stands out as the premier choice for roofing services in Tibble Fork, Utah. With unparalleled expertise honed over 20 years, they use high-quality materials and cutting-edge techniques. Their transparent pricing and exceptional customer service make them the trusted choice. At EagleRidge Roofing, their roofing process guarantees efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. The process includes thorough inspections, detailed estimates, and expert installations using top-grade materials. They maintain clear communication throughout the project and follow strict safety protocols and industry best practices, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Client feedback consistently praises their professionalism and attention to detail. EagleRidge is your go-to company for roofing needs. Contact us at 801-784-1457. We are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, located in the heart of Utah and proudly servicing the Wasatch Front.